80% of investors can't beat this market. Here's why everyone recommends the S&P 500.
The S&P 500 is a collection of 500 of the largest U.S. companies, bundled into one index.
It includes companies from multiple sectors to spread risk.
This diversification helps smooth out the ups and downs of individual stocks.
Over decades, the S&P 500 has consistently grown, making it a favorite for long-term investors.
Most individual investors fail to beat it, so tracking the S&P 500 is a safer choice. Its strength comes from including successful companies that drive the economy forward.
Follow for more 60-second investing lessons.